Hello and welcome to Twinkle Kids TV. In today's video, we're going to draw a bright sunflower. Grab yourself some paper and a pencil and don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy the video. Are you ready to draw a happy sunflower? Start by sketching a medium-sided circle nearer to the top of your page. Draw a smaller circle inside, and then a wider one outside. This will be the flower head. Draw a curved line down, that's the stem. Add a curved line on the right and a smaller one on the left. Now, draw a curve either side of the leaf spines to complete the two leaves. Now, for the drawing lines. Draw around the middle circle, making tiny little wiggles in and out. This is the line between the petals and the centre of the flower. The little wiggles show how the petals join the flower head and how the bumpy seeds in the middle look. They will make it look more realistic when completed. Continue around the middle circle, making your miniature wiggles in and out. This takes lots of fine motor control in your fingers, so it's a really good exercise for your hands. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Flowers are wild and beautiful. Little imperfections make them even more beautiful, just like you. Make your wiggle line join up neatly to complete the circle. Now, draw a smooth circle in the centre. Now for the petals. Draw a curved line from the bumpy middle circle to the widest circle. Add another line to join at the pointy tip. The tip goes on the widest line. This makes one petal. Do you see the petal has a point on the widest circle and it has a wide bit to attach it to the middle bumpy circle? This makes the petals stay on and the tips stand out so they can dance in the wind. Draw petals all the way around your flower. Some petals might touch, others can overlap a little. The most beautiful flowers are individuals. Each of your drawings will look a little different each time too. Enjoy drifting into a meditative state as you put petals all the way around the circle. Did you know sunflower oil is made from sunflower seeds? The sunflower seeds are in the centre of the flower and we will draw them later. Sunflower oil is often used in the kitchen to fry chips, stir fries and pancakes. Van Gogh was a famous artist who painted lots of sunflowers. His sunflower paintings are very famous. Why not look them up afterwards? You can see how your picture is similar and different. Keep drawing carefully round to make your sunflower joyful. Try to keep your petals about the same size as you go around. Doesn't it look stunning? Great job! Now, behind each petal, draw just the tip of the petal that is hidden behind. A tiny little triangle peeking out between each front petal. Sunflowers have more than one layer of petals. We're drawing the back layer just now. The tips go to the widest circle or a hint beyond. Again, go all the way around. Did you know that sunflowers turn their heads to follow the sun during the day? This is so they can get as much sun as possible. Sunflowers are also very tall. Their average height is bigger than a 6-foot man. Keep drawing the little petal tips peeking out. Do you see how this makes the flower stand out and look more lifelike? This is making your sunflower look really beautiful. Well done. draw around the stem sketching line, down one side, across the bottom, and up to the flower again. Draw the larger leaf spine, then add the upper line, making it sweep to a point. Then the lower line with a lush curve back to the stem. Draw the smaller leaf, making it come to a nice point at the tip of the leaf. Then back to the stem with a curve. Inside each petal, draw a little line from the center to just over halfway up. Do this for each petal. This is the crease in the petal. In real life, sunflowers have 35 to 90 petals. The one on the video has around 40. Maybe you can count yours later. Go all the way around. Can you see your sunflower coming to life? Now for the center. In the donut shape, create little tiny bouncy lines. Keep them small and random, some bigger, some smaller. These lines are showing the seeds in the center of the flower. They show the texture and create an exciting center to look at. Well done! You've created a sunny sunflower. Who would you like to give your happy sunflower to? If you've enjoyed drawing this joyful sunflower, remember to like and subscribe so you can see what we're going to draw next. Watch this again if you missed any part. See you next time!